try one of these. Flame-grilled Aberdeen Angus, very nice.
Mackie's Crisps, the new product from a Scottish family business better known for its ice cream. Having conquered the ice cream market, Mackie's latest product is the result of a new joint venture with another leading Scottish firm, Taypack.
Well, we've been thinking for many years we wanted to do some sort of brand stretching and diversification. And 2 years ago, we just noticed there was a big gap in the Scottish market. There was no one in Scotland producing a premium kettle-style crisp. And then also, it's a huge growing market. It was growing at 30% year on year. So it was 2 years ago that we made the decision to go into crisps.
Coincidentally, Mackie's and Taypack had been examining the quality crisps market before finding out about each other's plans. They decided quickly to team up in collaboration rather than competing head to head.
Yeah, it was tempting, obviously, to do our own thing because we were quite far. Both companies were quite far down the line. But after several meetings and several discussions, we both agreed that the joint strengths of the two businesses were going to make a far stronger proposition than both of us trying to do it ourselves. The strength of Taypack in understanding how to grow crop, how to store it, how to produce it and deliver it, combined with the Mackie's strength in marketing and sales and their already established brand, the Mackie's brand, which was a trusted brand, just made absolute sense.
Taypack's been supplying the UK and Scandinavian markets with potatoes for many years. The company wanted to diversify, and the opportunity to produce crisps fits perfectly with that plan. Now potatoes harvested from Taypack's fields are used directly in crisp manufacturing at Inchtour near Dundee. Using state-of-the-art processes installed as part of a £2 million investment that's created 15 new jobs, the potatoes become tasty, flavoured crisps, bagged, boxed and ready for delivery within minutes. The new company, Mackie's at Taypack, took a few short months from the initial agreement to support a joint venture through to setting up a factory at Taypack's existing base and start producing crisps. The venture secured significant assistance from the SRDP grant scheme funded by the Scottish Government and European Union.
Well, basically, we started the initial discussions sort of September, October 2008. It was November, the middle of November, that we actually registered the new company called Mackie's at Taypack. We then had to research equipment again because at this point we'd both been looking at sort of smaller scale equipment, but by the joint venture we thought, well, with the same investment we can actually go to something like 2-3 times bigger. The machinery was all finished and ready to be picked up from Holland by the middle of May, the 15th of May, and then 6 weeks later we launched at the Highland Show. I think the main thing people are liking about the crisps is the texture and the taste of the actual crisp itself. It's not too hard and it's not soft like a standard style crisp, and the thickness is just right, and they're getting a real fresh potato taste. But where possible we try and put a Scottish slant to it, and these products have gone down really, really well. People are just interested, they see them, they think they'll try them once, and they obviously get latched onto them, they like them, and they come back and buying them again.
Our ambitions are immediately to capture as much of the Scottish premium crisp market as we can, and we're only a few months into this, and we've been listed in 3 of the major multiples already, as well as a number of independents and wholesale. So we're very pleased with progress. We're ahead of budget to date. Once we capture what we think we can in Scotland, then we're keen that we can market this crisp elsewhere in the UK and also export.
Once the two companies had agreed to work together, they turned to SAOS for assistance. Its C2 project, funded by the Scottish Government, European Union and SAOS, promotes collaboration in the Scottish food sector. Next steps for Mackie's include rolling out their crisps through more independent retailers and supermarkets, as well as developing new products for the massive market in snacks.